Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware readiness. Check TPM2, 0 and secure boot and BIOS because Windows 11 requires them. Once done, back up your user files to an external drive or OneDrive and free at least 20 GB. Make sure Windows 10 is fully updated and create a restore point. Then download the PC Health Check app to verify compatibility. If it passes, you begin the upgrade process from settings. Follow prompts to keep files and apps, and don't interrupt power during this initial phase. You proceed by checking Settings Update and Security Windows Update and selecting Upgrade to Windows 11 when offered. If the upgrade isn't available, download the official installation assistant on the EliteBook and run it as administrator. This guides you through download, verification, and automatic installation. Make sure your battery is plugged in and network stable. Once installation begins, the PC will reboot several times. Let it finish without forcing shutdown. After the install, update HP drivers to ensure full hardware compatibility and performance. You finish by running Windows Update right away to fetch cumulative and driver updates, and use HP Support Assistant for OEM drivers. Once you confirm Windows activation and adjust privacy or default app settings, check peripherals and reinstall anything missing. If something goes wrong, say a driver causes startup problems, make sure to use settings recovery to roll back to Windows 10 within 10 days or restore from the restore point you made. If the system fails to boot, use Safe Mode or HP Recovery Media to repair or restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.